Before you buy or sell, study these 8 realtor tactics closely to be informed and possibly save you money. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Let's dive right into it. The real estate market can be tricky, and even one wrong move could cost you thousands. Whether buying your dream home or selling for top dollar, understanding how savvy agents operate can give you a serious edge. These 8 tactics aren't always obvious, but they can make all the difference when it's time to close the deal. 1. Bait and switch property listings. Some unscrupulous agents advertise a beautiful property at a surprisingly low price only for you to discover it's just been sold when you inquire. The agent might claim the advertised property sold just hours ago or had a price increase. This bait and switch tactic gets potential buyers through the door, allowing agents to show different, often less desirable properties. Watch for listings that seem too good to be true, or agents who immediately pivot to showing you completely different properties without adequate explanation. Once you've found the right home, protect yourself from costly surprise repairs. A home warranty can help. They cover everything from appliances to heating and cooling. Check out coverage options and pricing online from several different companies before making a choice. 2. Double-ending deals. Double-ending occurs when an agent represents both buyer and seller and collects commission from both. Though legal in many areas, this can create a conflict of interest as the agent can't fully advocate for both sides. Some agents avoid representing both parties, limiting seller exposure and leaving buyers without dedicated support. However, buyers can hire their own dedicated buyer agent to represent them and negotiate on their behalf. 3. Pocket listings and off-market sales. Pocket listings keep properties off the MLS and public sites, offering them privately to select clients. This can hurt sellers by limiting exposure and reducing competition. While some sellers prefer privacy, agents often benefit by representing both sides and earning double commission. Buyers, meanwhile, might miss out on seeing the full market availability of homes for sale. Be cautious if agents frequently show you homes before they're listed or suggest limiting your listing's visibility. Exploring all options is just as important when making financial decisions. 4. Pushing unnecessary staging services. While staging can help homes sell faster and for more money, some agents push costly services from companies they're financially tied to, sometimes without disclosing it. These staging costs may be inflated, with agents taking a cut. Some even insist on staging for homes that would sell easily regardless of staging. Always get multiple quotes and ask if your agent has financial ties to the recommended company. Comparison shopping matters for all home services, especially when protecting your investment. 5. Hidden fees and marketing costs. An agent's commission usually covers marketing costs, but some add extra fees for photos, brochures, or admin costs, often claiming they're standard when they're not. These fees may be buried in fine print or mentioned right before closing when you're least likely to push back. Before signing, request a full breakdown of all costs and get written confirmation of what's included in the commission. This kind of cost awareness is key for all big financial decisions, including managing debt. 6. Creating false urgency. Some agents use time pressure to rush clients, citing phantom buyers, fake offers, or exaggerated price trends to spark urgency. Sellers may hear inflated claims about market cooling to justify quick price cuts. These tactics prey on emotion and lead to regretful decisions. Verify claims independently, research market trends, and be wary of urgency without proof. 7. Manipulating comparative market analyses. Comparative market analyses, CMAs, help assess home value, but some agents manipulate them for personal gain. Agents may use inflated comps to win listings, followed by price cuts. Buyers may be shown low comps to justify underbidding. Always review the full list of comparables and their features, and consider a professional appraisal to verify price. 8. Undisclosed referral arrangements. Many agents refer mortgage brokers, inspectors, and contractors, but some get undisclosed kickbacks. These referrals may prioritize profit over quality, leading to higher costs and subpar service. Always ask if your agent is compensated for referrals, compare quotes, and do your own research. The same goes for financial services. Transparency matters. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this content and want to see more of it, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.